What on earth is this beauty? We're in Haneda Airport, I think. Oh shoot, careful. And we're going. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so hard to carry. Oh my god. Anyways, so we're walking to this airplane that goes to Vietnam, and it's a 5-hour flight. Probably less because they usually speed, I think. But look how pretty it is. We're in Japan right now. The Japanese airport. There's a really long connector walkway, whatever it's called. This is probably the longest one I've ever been in, to be honest. Well, it's not Teresa. Anyways. Where do you have to go? And so I like how long it's different. Ooh, this is pretty, it's pretty. Whoa, so pretty. Super pretty. Head start exposure. All the way down. Alright, so picking up all my stuff. It's so long and still going. Alright, alright. Alright. Now we're in. Now we're